My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible.
Digital marketing and social media marketing are the best options if you're trying to grow your company and your online presence. These two forms of marketing are not the same, despite what you may have heard. Here I'll discuss the distinctions between social media marketing and digital marketing. Okay, what about their function for digital marketing? Now, digital marketing techniques are ways to advertise your goods or services online. So website, search engine, email, and mobile apps can fall under this category. Now, you can build your brand recognition, provide value to your brands, and even improve sales with digital marketing, which will lead to higher profitability. Those in charge of your digital marketing plan have to test concepts, track data, and modify campaigns to figure out which marketing strategies are best for your business. In order to assist them with this process, business owners prefer to go for specialized expert digital marketing services. Using social media in contrast, social media marketing takes advantage of social media websites to advertise goods or services. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube are all part of this. It's not required to include all social media platforms in your marketing strategy. Marketers will pick the social media channels that most closely resemble your brand voice, give you the most visibility, and encourage customer engagement. The social networks you choose will also depend on your target demographics. On Snapchat, for example, your target market will be different from one on Facebook. Teenagers love Snapchat, but Facebook's the greatest option if you're trying to reach an older demographics. So now what are the differences? Simple differences exist between the two types of marketing. Social media marketing is a subset of digital marketing, whereas digital marketing as a whole refers to all marketing initiatives with the primary focus on social media platforms. Therefore, when searching for digital marketing services, business owners should look for a firm that can also assist them with social media marketing. So you should find a company that, like Pristine Advisors, for example, I'm not tooting my own horn, but just explaining that we provide you advice on digital marketing services and the best approach to figure out what marketing strategy your business needs. We provide a wide variety of digital marketing techniques that will rapidly expand your company. We also provide Facebook ads, Facebook ad management, if you're seeking for social media marketing, which will enable you to reach more potential clients. Get in touch with me if you were interested in this sort of thing, but definitely do your research and do your homework. If you have any questions concerning digital marketing or social media marketing, just let me know.
Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBaronowski@Pristine Advisors. That's PristineAdvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBaronowski.com.